I am in the process of moving and I have to get everything out of my garage. So I'm taking the V8 jet ski to a new location. My plan is to store it there for a while and hopefully work on it there while I'm getting my new house set up and ready to go. I just got to raise it up to a certain height so I can get the trailer underneath of it. All right, here we go. We're on our way to location X. I've got to get this thing unloaded off the trailer and setting back on its stand. I do need the trailer to transport some other jet skis off of my property. Looks a lot cooler than it did in my little workshop, probably because it's highlighted by different colors other than the wooden walls in the original workshop that I was working out of.